So hope you are enjoying the videos and doing practice to be a professional. So today we are going to learn what are error handlers. So basically, if we see it here, the ignore error handler is a directive used to bypass error that occur during a scenario run. So if we make it practically, you remember in our last video, whenever new lead comes in, we were sending the notification to Shape Awesome and Junaid Awesome. Today we can add another module here of Google Sheet. Whenever a notification is sent, delete that row. So Shiv will never get to know what the lead was. He will complain like there is no new lead. But yeah, for scenario purpose, I am adding this, and here what we can add is we can select the path as well or enter it manually as well. If we enter it manually, we need to map the spreadsheet ID from our previous module, watch new rows, and spreadsheet sheet ID is this one, hopefully. So row number, there were only 5 rows, so we can say there is a row, let's say I believe there is no row like this because maximum 1000 rows can be available. But yeah, I'm gonna save this and let me unlink this one for now, because we just want to run the first branch, just for deleting the row and seeing if there is an error. So I'm gonna change it to all again and run this again. So let's see. Oh yeah, we have an error. So here, when we open this, it says like invalid value. So imagine we did a mistake here. Sometimes we don't need the scenario to be stopped on the error. We still want it to be running. Like there could be errors while running. There could be slight missing values while working. So we don't want the scenario to be stopped. What we can do is go to flow control, find the ignore module, and I will select this and connect this with the last module, because we are facing the error here. And here I can select like if that error exists or type is run type or something like that, it should ignore. It should keep working. Hope you got my point. Let me rerun this and you will understand how it will be working. So I'm gonna run this again. See, we had an error but now it is ignored. We didn't get the notification for the error. So hopefully you like my video. Please like, subscribe, and keep watching my next videos. Thank you.